Hi everyone, here we've got UMIDIGI X, and let me share with you how to reset digital rights management on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Now let's tap on Reset Options, and at the very first position we've got DRM Reset. So let's tap on it. Let's tap on it again. Now your device is asking you if you really want to do it, because this operation will delete all the licenses on this device. So simply tap on OK, and as you can see, the licenses have been deleted successfully. So that's all. This is how to remove digital rights management in your UMIDIGI X. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.